Welcome to Trucker Certified, Mastering the Art of Air Brakes, ensuring safe driving and efficient maintenance in combination vehicles. Introduction to air brakes. As a professional driver, it is crucial to have a thorough understanding of air brakes. From the basics of how they work to the importance of regular maintenance, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to drive safely and keep your combination vehicle in top condition. The air brake system plays a vital role in ensuring safe driving and efficient maintenance in combination vehicles. Understanding its importance is crucial for professional drivers. From reliable braking power to preventing brake fade, the air brake system maintains control and stability, allowing drivers to navigate various road conditions safely. Regular inspection and maintenance of the system are essential to avoid potential issues and keep the vehicle operating at its best. To master the art of air brakes, drivers must have a solid understanding of the different components involved. These include the compressor, air reservoirs, brake chambers, slack adjusters, and valves. Each component performs a specific function in the air brake system, and knowing how they work together is essential for safe driving and efficient maintenance for combination vehicles. To ensure proper air brake operation, drivers must follow essential techniques. This includes conducting pre-trip inspections, checking for leaks, maintaining proper air pressure, applying steady pressure when braking, and avoiding excessive brake usage. By mastering these techniques, drivers can ensure safe driving and efficient maintenance of combination vehicles. Regular maintenance on air brakes is crucial for optimal performance and safety. This includes checking and adjusting brake components, inspecting and replacing worn-out parts, ensuring proper lubrication, and conducting regular system checks. By following these maintenance practices, drivers can prevent costly repairs, reduce the risk of brake failure, and maintain efficient operation of combination vehicles. To ensure safe driving and efficient maintenance in combination vehicles, it is important to be able to identify common air brake issues. These can include air leaks, brake fading or overheating, improper brake adjustment, and restriction of airflow to the system. Being able to recognize these issues and address them promptly will help prevent accidents, maintain vehicle performance, and prolong the lifespan of the air brake system. When encountering air brake issues, it's crucial to troubleshoot the problem effectively. Start by checking for obvious signs such as air leaks or unusual noises. If no obvious issues are present, perform a thorough inspection of the air brake system, paying attention to components like the air compressor, valves, and brake chambers. Utilize troubleshooting tips such as checking for proper brake adjustment and testing the air dryer. Proper troubleshooting ensures safe driving and efficient maintenance of combination vehicles. To ensure the safety of combination vehicles, conducting a thorough air brake inspection is essential. This includes checking for leaks, inspecting brake hoses and lines, making sure there is no apparent restriction of airflow to the system, examining brake drums and shoes for wear and tear, testing the brake chamber, and verifying proper adjustment. By following these safety measures, drivers can prevent brake failures, accidents, and ensure the overall safe operation of their combination vehicles. In conclusion, mastering the art of air brakes is crucial for safe driving and efficient maintenance of combination vehicles. By conducting thorough inspections, drivers can prevent accidents and ensure the proper functioning of their brakes. Remember to check for leaks, inspect all components, and test the brake chamber for proper adjustment. By prioritizing safety measures, drivers can protect themselves and others on the road. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and safe driving.